Hello and welcome to this detailed review of the 7-inch 4G and Wi-Fi home alarm host system. If you are looking for a reliable and smart security solution for your home, this product might be exactly what you need. This alarm system comes with a large 7-inch IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels, giving you a clear and responsive interface. It is powered by a 600 MHz high-speed smart chip, ensuring smooth performance and quick response times. One of the key features is its built-in 5000 mAh lithium battery, which means the system will keep running even during power outages. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity with IEEE 802.11b, G, and N standards at 2.4 GHz frequency, and also includes 4G SIM card support, so you can stay connected at all times. The system uses 433 MHz wireless parameters with EV1527 protocol, and it comes with a built-in siren of 120 decibels, which is loud enough to alert you and deter intruders. It also offers 8 wired defense zones, giving you flexibility in securing different areas of your home. This smart alarm system is fully compatible with Tuya App, allowing you to control and monitor everything from your smartphone. It supports voice control, family sharing, and even offers 10 different languages for international users. Installation is easy, with options for wall mounting or desktop placement, and it supports OTA updates for future improvements. Please note that Set A includes only the main panel and does not come with additional accessories. If you are looking for a modern, feature-rich, and easy-to-use home security system, this 7-inch 4G and Wi-Fi alarm host system is a great choice. Thank you for watching this review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more smart home product reviews.